everyone, and welcome to Health Prudent. As promised, we're back with another interesting and quite an important topic for you. Today, we're going to talk about 10 fruits and vegetables can fix most of your gum and teeth issues. Before we get into the video, please be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss it when we upload new videos. And make sure to watch until the end to discover in detail why you should keep some fruits and vegetables in your daily diet to help your gum and teeth stay healthy. Without further delay, let's jump into the video. Teeth are a very important part of our body. This is no wonder that most of us take good care of them by brushing, flossing, and using mouthwash. Despite taking so much care, gum disease and tooth decay are among the most common diseases we come across. Do you experience toothache and swollen gums frequently? Well, if you do, you're in the right place now. You may be surprised to know that your regular diet can help you incredibly to stop going to your dentist unnecessarily and get back the healthy smile you desire. We have some useful fruits and vegetables to share with you which can reduce your pain. Let's check them out. Number 1. Oranges. Don't be shocked. We know all types of acid are bad for your teeth, and oranges are citrus fruit, which means they also have an amount of acid. But let us tell you something very interesting. Oranges have very little amount of acid, which is not harmful to you at all. In fact, the acid found in oranges helps your teeth by strengthening the vessels and connective tissues, which usually hold your teeth to the jaw. Number 2. Apples. You probably have heard the famous rhyme, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." So, thought of rephrasing this famous quote a little. "An apple a day keeps the dentist away." Do you know how apple can help you in so many ways? Apple contains natural sugar which helps in killing the harmful acid in the mouth. Chewing an apple also helps in getting stronger gums as it contains useful vitamins. Number 3. Strawberries. Strawberries is one of the fruits liked by almost everyone. But you might be thinking, how can a strawberry be useful as some are sour plus acidic, and in few cases, you get a red stain on your teeth too because of its color? Here is the answer. Strawberries actually contain malic acid, which is very good for teeth whitening, and it contains some useful vitamins too, which helps in keeping the gums strong. Number 4. Kiwi. I bet you also believe in this misconception like many others. Kiwi is not a citrus fruit. In fact, it's a berry. Surprised? This berry actually has a lot of vitamins and fiber in it, which is considered dental mineral. So yes, eating a kiwi fruit is quite helpful. Kiwi has a good amount of calcium, which helps in the protection of teeth. Number 5. Pears. Yes, you heard it right. Pears are helpful too for your oral health. Pears actually help you in your diet and protect your teeth too. As you might know, a lot of fruits you eat are acidic and they are harmful to your teeth unless they get neutralized. The flesh of pears helps you neutralize acids and make your teeth, gums, stronger. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic contains an element called allicin, which is an antifungal and also known by its qualities to kill bacteria. That's why eating garlic is very useful, as this can reduce toothache significantly. Also, garlic plays an important role in fighting tooth decay, periodontal disease, and to get rid of cavities. Well, if you are one of them who struggle with their sleep, you can check out our other video, Why You Should Sleep with Garlic Under Your Pillow. Thanks! Number 7. Ginger. You might not like ginger at all, but here are some interesting facts about ginger. Ginger roots are actually very useful for fighting the bacteria in your mouth, and ginger is used as an herb too, which is considered quite important according to some people. Plus, ginger helps in freshen up your breath. Number 8. Carrot. We all know that carrots are great in taste and have a lot of health benefits. Carrots have some interesting yet important oral benefits too. How? Carrots play a vital role when it comes to fighting against the cavity, as they work as a natural toothbrush when you munch on the crunchy carrots. Also, carrots have an incredible amount of plaque-attacking keratin and vitamin A, which is crucial for strong enamel. In turn, they help in protecting your teeth from decay. Number 9. Onion. The raw onion is incredibly useful for you and your teeth. Interesting, right? Onions do not have many nutritional values, that's true. But onion has a good amount of sulfur in it, which kills the bacteria present in your teeth. Also, onions contain antibacterial and antimicrobial substances that help your oral health in preventing diseases. So, you now know the benefits of eating a raw onion. Number 10. Celery. Celery is considered as one of the best foods for your teeth, and that's why it's worth a special mention. Celery helps to strengthen the teeth as it contains some essential vitamins like vitamin A and vitamin C. Vitamin A helps the mucous membrane, and vitamin C contributes to protecting the teeth from loosening. Celery juice is very helpful to fight gum disease. As celery is high in fiber, it plays a significant role to protect you against tooth loss and reduce the decay of bones in the gums. Okay, here comes a bonus tip for you. Bonus tip: yogurt. Yogurt is considered as a useful snack for oral health. As it contains bacteria, it helps your teeth from tooth decay and protects your teeth. You can keep yogurt in your daily breakfast and be assured that it will help you from facing any problem related to your teeth. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this helps you a ton. Please do not forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you do not miss more videos of health, wellness, homemade remedies, and much more. Let us know in the comments which fruit or vegetable was most surprising for you. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who are going through some dental issues. And I will see you with another interesting and quite an important topic for you. Till then, stay healthier.